welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to let you guys know what equipment I use to make videos for YouTube channel. I want to go back in history to tell you that when I started about 2.5 years ago, I was actually using just an iPhone, which is this is an iPhone right here, but this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. I started off using a iPhone 8 to start with, and I've been creating content for about 3 years now. And when I started, I used the iPhone, and then after about 20 videos, I moved on to a GoPro. So I bought a GoPro that is used for about $250, approximately about 2 years ago. And this is a GoPro 7 Black. And the reason I bought the GoPro was because it's waterproof, it's portable, and when I use my phone to record, I sometimes get people calling me, and then it gets interrupted, and I get text messages, etc. So it was really annoying. So I just had to get a GoPro to be somewhat serious for doing videos, and the GoPro has served me really well. This is the camera that I actually created most of my video with. I had 250 plus videos recorded using this GoPro 7. And the GoPro 7 is fine. It has a lot of good things why GoPro is one of the most popular for creating videos. Recently, I've been doing more product reviews, and my desk, which is just like this right here, a setup where I have the camera on top, and the GoPro is not very good at creating this kind of video because it has fixed or infinity focus. So what I mean by that is the GoPro can't do this. You see that when it's zoomed in like this, you can see those two backgrounds phones are blurred out. And when I do this, it's you can see the focus adjust right away. Yeah, so that can only be done with a camera that has autofocus, so that it can have that perception of depth. Okay, and that is really crucial, I think, in when I'm creating videos where I need to show very close-up details, like this, for example. And then I can zoom out automatically to show the whole spectrum of other background, etc. So that's what the GoPro is not really good at. So I bought an Android phone, which is this thing right here. And before I bought it, I did a lot of research to find out which Android phone was the best for me to buy. To do videos or to record videos, and I found out that the Google Pixel 3 XL was one of the best choice. This Google Pixel 3 XL costs about $90 on eBay, and I'm going to put the link in the description, and you guys can see it. Also, I'm going to put a picture of an example of one right now. So I bought mine for basically $90 plus free shipping on eBay. And as you guys can see, it has a cracked screen on here, and it's chipped here, and it has another crack here. But it doesn't really matter. All I care about is that it works, and it has a very good camera right here. The camera is extra good. It's very sharp. Actually I have a scratch on it. Looks like I have on the camera itself, on the lens, but it doesn't seem to affect the picture quality that I record from it. Yeah, so the Google 3 XL is has a very good camera, and it has excellent exposure and recording capabilities. At $90, it is really an amazing purchase. So the phone itself is $90, but I purchased the case, was also super cheap. I think I got it for like $8 or $9 with shipping, which is extremely good. So you can check out the specs on the Google Pixel 3 XL. I highly recommend it. It's a great phone, and it's a great camera phone. I don't use it for talking on the phone, but I just use it for strictly doing desktop review like this. And for the audio, I prefer to use just the AirPods. So this is my personal AirPods. I use this every day to make phone calls, etc. And when I make video, I don't see a reason why you need to buy an expensive microphone, etc. I really think that the AirPods gives one of the best microphone and voice quality or audio quality. Remember back in the days when you have all kinds of Bluetooth headset, and when you use it to make calls, people can't really understand what you're saying. Yeah, so those days are gone, obviously. Once the AirPods or Apple kind of figure out how to do microphone correctly on the AirPods, everybody seems to be able to just talk and can understand you when you're using your AirPods, which is amazing. So I do basically the same thing. I rely on the AirPods, and you can just sync them up. Hang on a second. So basically you just go to the settings, connect device, and then you just connect to the AirPods. And I'm not sure why it's not connecting. Let me see, maybe you need to open it. There you go. So when you open it, it's connected, it's active, and you can start making videos using the AirPods. It sounds perfect. You don't need to have an expensive microphone like Rode or some microphone that you have to attach your etc. I don't see why any reason to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna summarize this video. Basically, the Google 3 XL is a great phone camera for non-action video, meaning since it doesn't have image stabilization, I would not recommend using this particular camera when you're moving around. It's gonna look really, really shaky. But if you do a lot of desktop review videos, like for example, like this, where you are moving objects in and out of the camera and you're zooming in and giving the object close up, etc., the Google Pixel 3 XL is definitely superior for that. So let me know what you think about this video. See if I'm right. Do you have another opinion? You think that this is a good setup for creating YouTube videos? Please let me know down in the comment. And if you like this video, I hope you don't mind giving it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.